Let us start with sounding the letter. So first we need to change the backdrop. Choose the backdrop, search a backdrop. I will go with circles. You can select any backdrop. Now we need a spread. Choose the spread, search the spread and go to letters. From here I will select the letter L and I will delete the last spread. Now we need to perform the event. For this you need to go to the events and you need to make a drag and drop when this spread clicked, so that whenever we click on the spread it will create a sound. Now go to sounds and drag and drop start sound. So after this, when you click on the spread, it will create a sound like this. Try it out more, my friends.